Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to get started just very shortly here. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Let's do this. Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. I saw people chatting on the chat till like 3 in the morning. See, I'm 2 hours ahead of you guys in Cali. I'm telling you, like it's sometimes hard to take that trade just due to the fact that it's literally it's 5 o'clock in the morning. And again, I don't go to bed with trades open. So again, like I'm either going to scalp it, you know, and just get my bag and get out. But like leaving that thing open like that, like it's definitely being 2 hours ahead of you guys. It's definitely challenging. But yeah, I mean, I'm definitely happy for those that got the bag last night. Sometimes it goes in earlier. You know, I know the night before it was like 1 o'clock my time, so that was perfect. But gosh, when it goes in, when it goes active like 3 in the morning, you know, like I said, gosh, that's tough. All right, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having an amazing week so far. You know, just again, just so much information that is just coming across this group. Just such amazing things that are happening. I'm just very excited, you know, to definitely just be part of it. You know, obviously share my journey. You know, that's all that this is about, is just really, you know, sharing my journey, and hopefully that, you know, my journey can inspire others and, you know, can show people, you know, that obviously, like, you know, really anybody can do this. It doesn't happen overnight. You just have to be willing to put in the time, and you just have to be willing to be a student again. And if you're willing to be a student again, and you're willing to, you know, to really humble yourself and know, you know, that it's not going to happen overnight, you know, you'll be fine, you know. So again, let's jump in. So again, my name is Gabriel Montoya. I'm based here in Chicago. I've been part of the Academy now for over 2 years. I've been part of IME for over 2 years. And, you know, over the last year, I've consistently been trading, you know, and have grown account to over 6 figures. Just been consistent in my journey over, I would say the last year has really been a turning point for me. where again, it's really become a consistent thing that I do. And it's really changed my life. It's changed my family's life. And it's really just changed, really my outlook on making money. I don't wake up wondering how I'm going to obviously, pay bills and, do those things. We travel, we enjoy. My wife's going to be retiring from her accounting job in the next 2 years. We have a little one. That's obviously what's keeping us grounded. She's 7. And so obviously she has to be in school. And so that's what's definitely keeping us grounded. But we love to travel. We love to definitely just enjoy our time. And we definitely do a lot of that. So let's jump in. So as you guys could see here, obviously I trade US 30. That's all that I trade. I probably should even get rid of all these other currencies here on the weekends. Honestly, I've done some ETH, some BTC. I'll be honest with you though, US 30 has just done so well that I don't trade a whole lot on the weekends anymore. I honestly just don't have to. And so again, honestly, I just really trade US 30. That's what I watch. That's what I pay attention to. And it's definitely helped. I know in the beginning, when I came on, trading Forex, I had 50 pairs up. I had 50 pairs that I was watching. And again, it was just overwhelming. I was missing opportunities on this pair. I was missing opportunities on that pair. So again, really being able to focus on one pair, understanding how she moves, when she moves. And again, I trade between 9 and 11 o'clock. That's when I trade, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time to 11 a.m. Central Standard Time every single day, Monday through Thursday at least, and sometimes on Fridays. And so doing it every single day, exactly how she moves, what you can anticipate in her movements, and what you can do. And so again, like I said, the first thing that I do is I come in, I have EMAs. I have literally a 20 EMA and I have a 50 EMA. That's all that I have here. And what it does is it just really helps me confirm her direction. Okay, that's all that it does. I don't use it to trade off of. I don't take trades off of it. I don't wait for her to come back and bounce off of it. I simply just use it as a way of just where is she at. Okay, and I'll even go to higher time frames. So right now on the lower time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, we are 3 candles above these EMAs, which again I'm looking for a buy. Okay, if you go out to the higher time frame, okay, go out to the hour, you can see that we're not 3 candles above. And what I mean by 3 candles is 3 candles above the EMAs really demonstrate that we've made a reversal, that we are moving in that direction. Okay. So again, wherever you're trading on, I like to use that 3 candle rule. Okay. We've heard that 3 candle rule over and over and over. Okay. So again, like you guys could see here, okay, at the 7 o'clock candle, she dropped tremendously here. Okay. She hit this here, she hit this floor here and she bounced back up. Okay. So the 8 o'clock candle, and that's obviously opening bell in that candle as well. She had a huge pull up. Okay. She corrected a lot of what just happened. All right. And so then we go down on the 15, we can see over the 15, obviously what she's done. Okay. I'll be honest with you. I'm looking for her to break this area here. Okay. This is going to really determine really kind of what her move is right here. Okay. Her breaking this 32,500 is really going to determine, really, is she moving to the upside? This is a big area here. This is a big zone here for her to break, because again, that's really the last big zone. Again, once she came up here, she broke right here, okay, and she fell. Okay, so again, we're coming to this floor right here. Okay, we're coming to this floor right here. Okay, and she's obviously bouncing off of it. Okay, we want to see her break and close above. All right, so we're going to be a little bit more patient today. Let's see here. Okay, and again, I literally truly just have her marked up with bank zones. That's all that I have here. Okay. So just keeping things very, very simple. Just bank zones are on the 50, on the 50. Okay. So 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. So every 50 increments is a bank zone. Okay. All right. Perfect. So again, what I would like is I'd like to break and close above 32,450, 32,450, okay? And that's really kind of the area that I'm looking at, all right? And because again, we haven't really broken this major zone, okay? I'm gonna keep it light. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on my, I'm gonna go a little bit heavier, maybe a point higher, but I'm only going to look for about 2 to 3 points, okay? I'm looking for 2 to 3 points because again, she needs to break this significant area right here in order to really demonstrate to us that she's moving to the upside, okay? Obviously, we're gonna ride this momentum here, okay? But again, is that momentum only going to take us here and then she's gonna fall back down? Or is that momentum going to take us, you know, to the moon, okay? So again, that's really what we want to look at. But again, my first point of entry is 32,450, 32,450. Hey, and like I said, I'm literally going to just take 3 points. So I'm going to 53, okay? 32,450. And I'm looking at 32,453, okay? And I'm literally setting up 3 of those. So 450, 453. Okay, and again, the reason I'm doing that, guys, is understand that we have not broken a significant zone. We have not broken a significant zone. So again, even though I'm writing out this momentum, okay, even though I'm writing out this momentum, okay, she has not broken a specific zone. So she can easily, you know, pull back as she gets into all of this here. So again, until she breaks this and until we're making huge strides to the upside and where we can really truly get 5 points, I'm going to just take what I can get. And again, you know, it's part of when I start this session, it's part of just my plan and my strategy for this session. Okay. And again, it's my rules that I'm setting right now as I go into the session. Okay. And again, guys, and again, why are we being careful? Because again, we can see what she's doing as well. Look at this big candle to the downside. Hey, look at this big candle to the downside. Literally flew through that level. So we just have to be careful. We just have to be careful. We can't go renegade. We just have to be careful. You know, obviously on the 5-minute, this was an engulfing candle, and then she literally slammed down on this next candle. Okay, so again, we just have to be careful. And again, I'm not afraid to take sells either. Okay, I'm not afraid to take sells. Okay, but we also want to understand. Okay, we just have to be careful in what we're doing. Okay, there's significant levels here that she has to break in order for us to determine and know where is she moving down to. Okay, so again, this 31,950 is a huge zone. Okay, she has to come down and break this zone, 32,100. Okay, 32,100. okay, is going to determine, confirmation that we're moving to the downside. Is she just pulling back right now? Sure, absolutely, okay? But again, I do have her set up right here at 32,400, okay, taking her for 3 points. Okay, 32,400, taking her for 3 points. Okay, we could have set her up at 3250, taking her as well. Okay, but again, I'm just monitoring right now, really kind of what's going on. Okay. So 32,350, 32,350, and I'm going to take her for 3 points. 32,353. 32,350 to 32,353. And again, why am I only taking 3 points? Just due to the fact that she's consolidating right now in between two major zones. She's consolidating in between this 32,500 and this 31,950. And the reason being is these are major zones she has to break. Obviously, we're moving to the upside. We're closer to this here. But again, if she falls, this is a major zone of where she breaks to confirm that she's going to the downside. So meaning that she's in between those areas. She can go either way right now, okay? So again, I'm not going to really go all in, especially, just because, again, we just saw a big push down. We did see buyers come in on this candle, okay? And I did close those two trades at 32,350, okay? I did close 32,400 as well at 32,403. $32,400 buy stop, 32,400, and literally taking it to 32,403. 32,400. 32,403. And again, I'm leveraged a little bit higher, but I'm taking smaller points, okay? And also keep in mind, guys, we can control our risk here, okay? Trading on MT4, you control your risk. You control where you want her to go. You control where you want her to stop. You control everything, okay? So again, you set your rules. She does not control what's going to happen, okay? So at the end of the day, we have her set up at 32,400, 32,400, okay? 32,400 for 3 points. We just opened up a new 5-minute candle. Okay, so again, those that are just coming on right now, we are taking buys, okay? But again, also look at the movement that she has. We just want to be careful. If she's going to break a zone to the downside, it's right here, okay? So if let's say I got into a trade and I was like, oh no, where's she going? You could either set your stop loss at the bottom of this wick here, okay? Or you could set it to the top of this zone here, okay? So again, that just depends on you guys. Like that's all up to you as far as where you want to exit, all right? But again, I'm telling you, like I would exit at long wicks, okay? So I would take I would exit right here at this wick here, okay? If I was planning an exit, or I would exit at this break of zone here, at this ceiling here, okay? At this floor actually, okay? So 32,400 sell stop. We are 4-0 so far. We're 4-0 so far. Five and 0. She just hit it. $32,400, $32,400, $32,403. And again, why am I only taking 3 points? Because she has not broken a major zone for me to really be all in on her, okay? But I'm gonna take what I can get. I'm gonna take what I can get. I'm gonna take what she's giving me, okay? She's about to get us in right now again. 3 points. Big push up, let's go. There we go, boom, closed it. We're out, 6-0. Okay, 6-0. Okay, and again, what am I doing? I'm high leveraging more, okay? So I believe I'm at a 0.60 lot. 0.60 lot. I think I was on a 0.4, 0.5. So again, I just changed my lot size up 1, and I'm just taking smaller points. So I went from 5 to 3, okay? So 32,550 is our next level. 32,550 is our next level. 32,450 is our next level. If she comes back down, okay, I will set up 32,400 again to 403. Okay, but again, she has to come back down. I'm in. Big push up. She pulled back on me. 32,400. 32,403. Okay, here we go. Closed it. Boom, boom, done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 6 no. 32,450. 32,450 is where we're at. $32,450 is my next zone here. And again, this is a significant zone. Why? Because she's come up here, wicked here, fell back down. Wicked here, fell back down. Wicked here, fell back down. Okay, so again, great zone. 32,450, great zone. Buy stop, correct. Yes, buy stop. Yep, buy stop. Yes. So buy stop 32,400. And again, 32,403. Okay. Very small trades because again, we have not broken a significant area. Okay. She has not showed me that she's breaking in one significant area. Okay, we're in between. We're trapped in between this zone here and this zone here. Okay, I need you to break this area. If you break this zone, we're going to the upside. Okay, you'll give me 5 points. We're running. If you break it down here, we're running. Okay, but as we're in between here, very undecisive. She could be tricking us. She can be faking us out. I'm going to take 3 shots. I'm going to take 3 points. I'm going to take what I can get. Okay, 32,400. Got me another bag. Okay. We're in the trade for 32,450. 32,450. We're in that trade. We just need 3 points. Let's go. Big push up. There we go. Close me. We're done. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trades. 32,500 is our next zone. 32,500. 32,503. Again, we're just going to it's that jab. It's that jab. We're just going to be consistent with our jab. We are not looking for that big home run hitter. We are not looking for that one punch. We're just jabbing, jab, 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 jab. And again, we see that is consistent, okay? And we're going to be consistent with our jab, and we're going to win the fight. So 32,500, 32,500. Here we go. 32,500, get me in. Let's go. Big push up. $32,500. Big push up. Boom, we're in. And I actually closed. We have 32,500, 32,503. Okay, we're in. And we closed again. That 3 points is a beast. I'm telling you, like that 3 points, like, I mean, it's killer. Like I'm telling you, like I'm just literally getting bag after bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and on this session, I'm literally at about $2,000 already. Okay, and we've been on this session now for 24 minutes. All right. So again, if she breaks and closes above this area, if she breaks and closes right now, 40 seconds, if she breaks above this, we're looking pretty good here. Okay. Again, we want to see a break and close. We want to see a break and close. Okay. Is she going to just get into this and bounce back? We got 25 seconds. I'd like to see a break and close. She breaks and closes above. Okay, so again, I'm going to set this back up. And again, guys, it does not take much. Okay, it does not take much. Okay, 32,500, 32,503. Let's go. Let's go. Big push up. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. Big push up. Let's go. $32,500, $32,500 to $32,503. She did not break and close, guys. She did not break and close. Okay, so she's going to consolidate a little bit. She's going to grab some. You know, when I think of this, I think of just she's going to grab some momentum, and then she's going to come flying through again. Okay, she's going to come tapping on that area. Okay, she just did not have the momentum to break through at that point. Okay. Obviously, big pullback right now. We're okay. 32,500. Okay. Where are you getting out, Gabe? Where are you getting out? Okay. Like I said, I would probably get out on this wick here. Okay. On this big wick here. 32,287 would be kind of where I got out. Okay. And that's honestly, that's about 200 points. Okay. That's a pretty big pullback, to be honest with you, especially, you know, at a 0.6 lot size. That's a pretty big pullback. Okay. All right, here we go. Boom, close, done. That's it. That's it. We're literally jabbing her. That's it. We're literally jabbing. Okay. So if she pulls back again into that wick again, I'm going to set up 32,500, 32,503. Okay, 32,500, 32,503. Okay, here she comes. We got the momentum on this wick. We got the momentum on this wick. Okay. $32,500 to $32,503. Again, I need to see a break and close. I need to see a break and close above this zone. Okay, which will tell me that we're confirming to the upside, but she is not. She's wicked here, okay? And she fell back down. She fell back down almost 50 points and wicked here, okay? So right now, she's in between this zone. She's in between this 32,500 and this 32,450, okay? Again, I have her set up right here, 32,500, 32,500. $32,500. We got a minute left on this candle. Okay. Again, here's the deal, guys. Is she gonna break and close below this zone here, or is she gonna break and close above this zone? Or are we gonna consolidate in between this zone? Okay. So again, I think it's just very key to understand exactly what she's doing. Okay. You know, what do we have on this candle? Okay, we have a long wick. Okay, we have a long wick, which means that she came all the way down here and the buyers took over this candle. Okay, and now they're pushing her up. Okay, we have a minute left on this candle. All right, let's see if she flips. There she goes. We need 3 points. Once she hits 32,500, we need 3 points. There we go. Boom. Boom. And we're out. That's it. That's as simple as it gets, guys. Okay, 32,550, 32,550. What is she going to do in this next 40 seconds? Is she going to close above? Is she going to close above? Or is she going to stay in this zone here? Okay. Is she going to close above and continue the upside? So 32, buy stop, 32,550. 32,553. And what are we going to do? Are we going to break it? Are we going to break above and close? Or are we just going to, are we going to wick out? Okay. And again, as you can see, we did not break and close. We did not break and close. Okay, we're not ready to break that zone yet. We're not ready to break that zone. 32,500. Missed it. 32,500. 32,503. Falls back down. Boom, I'm in. 32,500. Big push up. Let's go. Okay, 32,500 to 32,503. 32,500, 32,503. Okay. And again, what she's going to do is come up, get us into these wicks, potentially fall back down. We just need 3 points. Okay, we're looking for 3 points, guys. On this session so far, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are 12 and 0. And again, all we're simply doing is we're simply just throwing a jab. We're not throwing anything special. We're not doing anything special. We're simply just throwing a jab. Okay. So is she going to break and close 32,450? Is she going to continue to run? What is she going to continue to do here? Okay. Again, is she going to wick down? Are the buyers going to come in and take over this candle? What's going to happen? Okay. And again, these are thoughts that I'm thinking. Okay. Big wick. This could be a potential big wick. Let's see what happens. 32. Buy stop. 32. 450. 32. 453. Okay. So again, she comes back up. She bounces back up. I have 3 points right here. 32,450, 3 points. Going to 53. Again, I don't care if she continues to fall down. Okay. I got 3 points right here at 32,450. Okay. 32,450, 3 points. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're in. Okay, big push up. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. We got a minute left on this candle. There we go. Okay, 32,450. Buy stop. 3 points. We got 23 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Big push up. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Big push up. We broke and closed below. Let's see. Do we continue down or are we going to bounce back up? We close that deal. We close that order there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 0. Let's see what's happening on this half-hour candle. We just opened about 7 minutes ago, this half-hour candle. This really shows that zone a lot better, guys. Like, look at this zone right here. Okay, she came up here, wicked, came down, wicked, wicked, wicked above, came down, wicked, wicked. Okay, so again, this is a huge zone. Then when she breaks this zone, guess where she's going? This zone up here. This bank zone right here. Look at that. Bam. That's where she'll run to. Again, she's got to break zones that she's crossed. Okay, and again, when we talk about correcting, look what she's done. She corrected herself already this morning. She's corrected. She fell, she corrected. Okay, she fell, we're correcting. Okay, she fell, pulled back, fell all the way back down here again. We're correcting. This is all part of this correction. We're going to correct this. Okay, this is where we were at yesterday. This is exactly where we were at yesterday. Again, she's still correcting, guys. Okay, 32,500. 32,500, 3 points. Okay. Look at this half hour, look at this half hour, how it really shows the zone. Like so like amazing. Okay, we just closed that deal. We just closed that. 14-0. Here we go, 32,550, 32,550. $32,550. And again, a lot of these are actually still open from yesterday. A lot of these are actually triggers that I had. These are buy stops that I had from yesterday. Corey, I did see that. $32,550, guys, $32,550. I have a couple more trades that I'm taking, and then we are done with this session. Let's go, 32,550. 32,550. Let's go. Big push up. Okay. On this half hour, we got this big wick here. We got this big wick. Look at these big wicks. We got wicks here. We got wicks here. We got this big green body. We got this big green body here. We got this long wick here. We need this candle to continue up. We need this momentum to continue up to the upside. $32,550, $32,550 to $32,558 or 553. I'm sorry, 53. I don't know why I said that. All right, here we go. We're in. Let's go. Big push up. Let's go. Big push up. All right, big push up. Let's go. 32,550, 32,550 to 553. 553 is our number. 553 is our number, and we're out. Okay, let's go this 5 minute. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Okay, are we going to break and close above? Are we going to break and close above? And if we do that, we're going to run to this next zone, guys. 32,600 is our next zone. There we go. You should have closed that deal. You should have closed that trade. You should be out of that trade. And look what she did. She gave us about 5 to 6 points. Okay. In the next 3 minutes, are we going to break and close above? Are we breaking and closing above? Or are we going to wick again? Are we closing and breaking above? Or are we going to wick? What are we doing? Okay. We got 5 minutes left. We got 2 minutes, 30 seconds left on this candle. Okay, look at it on the 30 minute. If in the next 17 minutes, she closes above this 32,500, she is going to run to this zone here. Okay, we will continue to the upside to this zone here. All right. Again, that's what she does. She runs zone to zone. Okay. And again, you learn these things when you literally focus on her. Okay, you understand how she runs. Okay, it's kind of like again, I always use this analogy. When you're playing baseball, you hit the ball, you run and round first. Your momentum is going to carry you to second. Okay, if you try to stop, guess what? It's gonna be a hard stop. So your momentum is going to carry you to second. So if you know that you're going, just keep going. And that's what she does. Is if she breaks and closes, her momentum is going to take her to that next zone. Okay, her momentum is going to take her to that next zone. Boom, I'm in. I'm in. And I'm out. All right, let's see where we're at today, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades. 16 trades today, 16-0. How's everybody doing? I'm going to take one more trade. I'd like to get to the 3,000 mark. Okay, I have her set at 32,600. 32,600, here we go. Look what happened, guys. She broke and closed. She's about to break and close above. And what is she going to do? She's going to run. Okay, 30 seconds, I will take a market execution. 30 seconds, 20 seconds, I will take a market execution. And I'm going to take that momentum. I'm going to take that momentum. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I'm taking this momentum. Ready? Here we go. Boom, I'm in. Let's go. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. Big push up. Could have closed it already. I'm in close mode. So when she gives me what I want, I'm taking it. Here we go. Big push up. Let's go. Big push up. Boom, done. Let's go. That's how we go, guys. Great session. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades. Hold on, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 trades. 17-0. Okay. Dollar figure of 3,100. And that's what she wrote. Any questions? I'd like to definitely open it up for questions over the next 10 minutes. Any questions? Good job, Corey. Well, good job, Kyla. Good job. Any questions, guys?
Yo, Gabe, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Who's this?
Gabriel, this is Reggie.
Reggie, how you doing, Reggie?
Great morning, bro.
Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent, man. Excellent session. Excellent session. Bro, my screen in the middle of trading, my screen went black.
Oh,
it's like I'm on my phone. It wouldn't let me take no more trades. It's on the top side. I'm on my phone. On the top side, it's just went dark gray. It won't let me put in no more trades. I'm like, what the hell?
Oh man. Hopefully you didn't lose no money.
No, I didn't lose no money, but I'm on my demo account, bro, until next week. I'm practicing.
Nice, good. Perfect.
I'm on my demo account, but I got 9 in a row. Well, not 9 in a row, but I got 10 trades. I got 1 loss. I got the rest of 9.
Nice. Good job, man. Good job.
Yeah. So excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And like I said, guys, I really came into this session with just a different strategy. I saw that we were in between a zone, and I literally said, you know what? I'm gonna jab, and I'm gonna get 3 points. And when I show you guys, literally, I'm not BSing. I literally, all my trades are 3 points. The last couple, I did market executions, so they ran a little bit, but again, everything else was literally 3 points. 500, 503, 450, 453. My last 2 trades, my last trade was 4 points. My trade before that was 4 points. So again, I literally just got out. You know, I knew exactly where I needed to be, and we just jumped out. But again, you know, my goal is to just keep it as simple as I possibly can, really not complicate things for you guys. So I'm glad that there's no questions, because again, we're just keeping it simple. You know what I mean? We're just keeping it simple. You have a question? Someone have a question? Anybody have a question? Perfect. If you have a question, hold on 1 minute. Let me unmute you, Corey. Go ahead and unmute, Corey. So the reason why we went into buys is I was looking at the 5 minute. That's why. Because I'm trading off the 5 minute and we were above the EMAs. So that's why, and we were 3 candles above the EMAs. Okay. We were 3 candles above the EMAs, which gave me the confidence to go up. But as you can see, I did adjust my plan a little bit because I wasn't taking the full 5 points. I was taking 3 points because I knew that she could be trying to fake us out. Okay, I knew that she could be trying to fake us out. Okay, and so now that we've broken this zone, and like I said, go down to the half hour, guys, you'll see very clearly, we just broke this zone right here. She's going to run up here. She's going to run up here, okay? Because there's nothing in front of her. There's no consolidation. There's nothing in front of her. Literally, she's gonna break this zone right here, and then she's gonna run up here. And that's what this wick did, is this wick got into this because there's still volume here. Okay, there's still buyers, there's sellers here. Okay. So again, like she's once she breaks and closes above this 32,550, she's going to run about 100 points. Okay. And again, why? Because there's nothing in front of her. There's nothing. I mean, you got these wicks over here, but they're pretty far away. You know what I mean? I mean, you got this wick right here. You got this wick right here that, again, she's matching right here. Okay, so again, like she's going to most likely continue to the upside. All right. And then again, this could be a turning point. This could be another turning point. This could be another drop. Okay, this could be another transition point to the downside. Again, we would just have to see. All right, we just have to see. Okay, but again, she hasn't corrected any of this here. Okay, so she could be coming up to correct this. Okay, and she has not corrected this. She still needs to make this correction. She needs to make this correction here. Okay, so she could be correcting all the way up to the 33,800 area. Okay, so again, like these are the things and kind of the questions that we ask as far as just where she's going. What could she potentially do? And again, I'm a scalper, so really I'm trading on the 5 minute, and so that's why I looked at it. We are ultimately in a downtrend. We do not have 3 candles above this EMA. We are ultimately on a 1 hour and a 4 hour. We are in a downtrend. Okay, but on the 5 minute, what she's doing right now, that's why I took buys. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Corey? Because again, like we're scalping. So we're interested in what's happening right now. We're interested in what's happening right now. Okay. And that's what we're looking at. Okay. Obviously, you know, we can look at the past and we can see what has she done, where has she gone. Okay. But again, like we can also look at this and say, like, where does she have to break in order to continue to the downside? Okay, what are some major areas that she has to break in order to continue to this downside and to really let us know that she's running? Okay, right now she's in a consolidation. She's consolidating. Like this is a big consolidation here, but she did, like I said, she did correct this. This was a correction. This was all a correction. Okay, this was all a correction, and this was yesterday. Okay, this is the mess we were in yesterday. Okay, but she corrected it. Okay, perfect, awesome. Any other questions, guys? Thank you guys so much for obviously joining. You know, like I said, really what I'm giving you is just really talking out loud of what's really going on in my head as I take trades and as I trade. Like I said, we have some great momentum right now in this group. What I would recommend that you guys do is really, again, just tap people in, allow your leaders to really, really demonstrate and show. Again, this is true. I'm not part of the academy. I'm not an educator. I'm simply someone who's just found something that works. And now all I'm simply doing is sharing that with the world. You know what I mean? And I enjoy it. Like, this is my session. This is what I do every single day. This is my schedule. This is what I do. So again, like I just really now, like I said, I really just put that out there and just demonstrate my journey. And again, I'm glad that you guys are getting something from it. I'm glad that you guys are taking things from it, because again, it's truly that simple. It's not difficult at all. I think sometimes we get in our own way. But again, once you learn this skill set, I'm telling you, like, it is absolutely life changing. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. Like, it's literally life changing. So again, just keep plugged in, keep going. Okay. Don't get frustrated, get the emotions out of it, and just enjoy the journey of learning. Great job to Reggie. Use your demo accounts. Just stay plugged in, guys. Like, we all want that time financial freedom. Okay. And that's what we're doing. And that's what we're working towards. Okay. So again, stay plugged in, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow it's Thursday. Let me look at my calendar really quick. I think I have a pretty jam-packed morning with just some investor stuff. Give me 1 second here. Let me see. We should be good. We should be good at 9 tomorrow morning, unless something else jumps on my calendar. But tomorrow will probably be 9 to 10, just an hour, just like we did today. So again, I'll send out a notification if anything changes. But again, thank you guys so much. And just again, make today a great day. We had a great session. We started the morning off amazing. Whatever your day consists of, just make it great. Have an amazing day. God bless each and every one of you guys. And again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.